Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna be doing a video on this salt lamp I got off of Amazon. So if you like this video, give it a like. If not, then click out this video and let's get right into the video, everyone.
Our salt lamp, OXXH Mark salt lamp is fresh. You gotta register it online. Why? What's it come with?
Everything. The whole deal. It's kind of small, actually.
It's not bad. It looks nice. Where's the rock?
Wait.
Oh, they're all the way in the bottom.
Yep. Only comes with 2 extra bolts, too.
Oh, I love that. What do you need 2 extra bolts? That's nice. Don't be fingering it too hard. Just say that. What if my mom sees this video? She'd be like, Alan's a damn bird. So you have to put the rocks over it? And then it comes with a pamphlet?
Yeah, if you want to read that, I don't.
Smart salt lamp? No, it's really easy. Just hook it together and that's it. The cool part about this that I like is that it comes with this thing on the bottom. Are you listening? And you can use it and it goes up and down like a dimmer, you know?
Yep.
Are you going to put them all in there?
Yeah, cool. So what it is.
That's a nice little lamp, huh? How hard is it just to throw the whole bag in there?
Probably not a good idea to do it like that. Impatient woman.
I'm not impatient like you. I'm sure you like having big fingers, right?
Nope. Why would I like having big fingers?
You know what big fingers means, right?
No.
So I'm a pervert. This is so cool. I like it. I want to see what it looks like when we put it over there. How many rocks is there?
A whole bunch.
So I wonder where these salt rocks come from.
And salt.
It's not come from salt. It's some type of Himalayan salt rock. Why don't you try it? I think it tastes like salt.
Won't you?
Why'd you say that? Are you being mean to me?
No, you're being mean to me. It's like you want me to taste that stupid rock. You quit videoing me.
I am just videoing your fingers. Calm down. I'm getting mad. I told you I'm going to be a videographer one day.
Are you?
See, it looks very nice. I would have done it if you would have held those hands on it. I know you wouldn't. How much salt? Hey, the other ones are scrapping, so you don't need to put the scrappings in there. Looks pretty nice, actually. I just hope now we're gonna put it on and see what it looks like.
Take it over there?
Yeah, hold on.
Okay, he's gonna unhook this first.
One thing at a time.
Look at your toes. I'm just joking, honey. Put it over here and plug it in.
Hopefully these rocks don't jump out.
What would they jump off? You know, what would be scary is if it fucking bursted or...
What do you mean if it bursted?
like
How's
you
it
got
gonna burst?
electrocuted or it caught on fire or something, that'd be scary. Okay, now do the dimmer thing.
Yeah, I'm gonna turn it down.
These are your days. What will each one bring? Doesn't matter. As long as you can say,
You turning it down?
Yeah, it's down.
I thought you were gonna turn it up too.
preventing migraine.
I just want to do a little practice video. How do you do it?
Just switch that little wheel on there.
Softer than ever. Charmin Ultra Soft is softer than ever, so it's harder to
It goes off and then it goes all the way up.
Okay, this is
All the way up. Damn, it goes really high. And that is the salt lamp. Hopefully y'all like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone. And you can get this off of Amazon for $15.